How's it going, guys? I have a 2009 BMW 335i X-Drive. The vehicle came in, customer complaining the vehicle loss of power. Recently had an oil change done. Scan the DME. These are the codes that I've got: 2A82, 3100, 2A98. See those are the codes here. Did a little research. Pulled the oil filter cap off. And it seems what happened is when they pulled the oil filter off, the cage got stuck inside of the oil filter and they threw it away. As you can see, the cage is on this one. That's the way it should look. There's a brand new OE cap. Is the one that was originally on the vehicle. The cage is missing. See, there's an O-ring here that's supposed to go down inside of the port in the middle to block that off. And that was what's causing the limp mode. Once again, these three codes here. Here is the original equipment part number. Oil filter housing, cage. So I'll be replacing that. That'll take care of that issue. These codes can come up for other issues as well. The oil control valve.